Hello everyone! Yan, mag-unbox sana ako ng mga gifts. Lahat sana i-unbox ko na ngayon. Pero dahil aalis na rin kami maya-maya, ay eto lang isa ang bubuksan ko dahil super excited ako dito. Yan. First, how do I open it? Yan. So yan. Bilis lang naman pala siyang buksan. Ito lang muna yung i-unbox ko dahil aalis nga kami. Tsaka baka magamit ko na din today. Ay, wala pala akong basurahan. Yan. Saan kita bubuksan? Ito. Yan. Yan. Kayong unang makakakita. Tada! Ay. Wow, ang social naman sis. Nakita ko siya ng konti. So, oh my God. Look at that, mga sis. It's lightweight ha. In-expect ko na medyo mabigat siya. Oh my God. Mga sis. Oh my God. So ayan na nga. Ito yung gimbal. And then maybe accessories to. I see something. Okay. Dito sa bag na to. Ano to? Pang secure ng phone. Pang nilagay mo na pag kinabit. What's this? A sticker? Maybe sticker lang siya. I'm not sure. Pusan na natin. These are, oh, wow, DJI stickers. Wow. Oh, nice. It's nice. We have manual. So, yan. And then, QR code. Maybe para sa app. Pag dinownload ko na yung app. And then, the bag. Wow, the bag is nice, ha? Yes. Yes. Yan. Para kapag magkunwari nasa labas ako at dadalhin ko to, dito ko siya ilalagay. So, ayan. I'm so excited. Ay, paano siya? Oh, wow. Oh my God! So exciting. And then, meron siya kasamang tripod, yung stand. Yan. Oh, it's nice, ah. Parang siyang plastic na, matigas siya. Pero plastic. So, yan. Ikakabit lang siya dito. And then, for the phone, since I'm using that phone, yung aking iPhone, gamitin ko yung aking Android. Wait lang mga sis. So, ayan mga sis. Gamitin ko tong aking Android to try it out. So, yan. I-stand natin para... Hindi ko alam kung paano to gamitin. I mean, nakapanood na naman ako ng konting videos, pero basically hindi ko pa alam kung paano siya talaga gamitin. Binit stick. Oh, it's not. I mean, oh, it has disc. Pasok na natin yung phone para matry natin. Yeah. Okay. Ang ganda niyang ang ganda niyang gamitin. Hindi siya mahirap ipasok yung phone. And then, oh my God. Oh. Wait, let me fix that girl. Okay. Yan. Ayan. So, ganun pala siya. Okay. And, here's the buttons. Oh. I don't know how to use it. So, ayan. It's a lot for me to read. Magpapahelp na lang ako sa aking husband. So, call my husband. Mahal! Can you help me? I'm recording, huh?
Alright, so what you need on or not?
I don't know. Here's my husband helping me to figure out how to use it. So, yan. Here's the DJI. Yes.
So the M button is actually the power.
Okay. Oh, wow! That's nice.
You can turn it like this. That's cool with the stick. I guess that there's facial recognition that you can get to with the camera that it's connected to after you get to the Mimo app.
Yeah, I need to download the app first.
Yeah, download the app.
Yeah.
You'll have to scan this.